Advocate Batohi accused suspended South Gauteng Director of Public Prosecutions, Advocate Chauke, of being more than a coordinator of the prosecutions team set up to probe the Cato Manor Police Unit's death squad accusations and of taking prosecutorial decisions, which is in contravention of the NPA Act. Batohi says, while the then acting director of public prosecutions, Nomngcobo Jiba, had said she relied on sworn statements under oath to issue a racketeering certificate against the Cato Manor unit, Advocate Batohi referred to a 2015 judgment of a review application where Advocate Jiba had relied on unsigned statements which are not admissible for the issuance of a racketeering certificate.
You must have the signed statements, witness statements before you so that you know that this is evidence, proper evidence that you can take into account for the authorization of a racketeering certificate. In his replying affidavit, Booysen also invited Jiba to file a further affidavit to explain how she could have taken into account information on oath that objectively did not exist at the time of taking the decision, given that it was an unsigned statements and in one instance signed after the date of the authorization. In this regard, Advocate Jiba did not file a further affidavit. However, we earlier went to documents. Advocate Chauke did provide Advocate Holders SC, who was briefed by the NPA to act in a potential appeal.
According to Batohi, Chauke also took prosecutorial decisions outside of his designated area of jurisdictions on the Booysens matter in KwaZulu-Natal.
I say it in the context of Advocate Chauke's assertion that he was a mere coordinator, which suggests that he was, and he set out what his role entailed. It seems to convey the impression that he was not involved intimately with the investigation and the prosecution of this matter. So what I'm saying is that this is one indication that that is not correct. A decision to take a matter on appeal is also a prosecutorial decision. So in this case, Advocate Chauke's role in this process, in terms of his engagement with Advocate Holders regarding appealing this matter, would amount to a prosecutorial decision with regard to the appeal process in this matter.
Batohi continues her testimony on Tuesday morning. Offenses Tibo, SABC News, Pretoria.